Yeah, welcome back. Now today I want to see the key features of Microsoft Excel 2013. So you begin by opening a blank workbook. Here I've got templates of workbooks, but I want to begin from scratch. So we click on blank workbook to open it. After opening it now, this is the window that is displayed after clicking or opening the Microsoft Excel 2013 or any other forms versions of Microsoft Excel. In this Microsoft Excel, today we want to see the key features of Excel, whereby we begin by studying about the quick access bar. This is the quick access bar that has got the file save button, redo and the undo buttons. We've got also the title bar. Here is where the title of the workbook or the spreadsheet is displayed. Once you save your spreadsheet, the title of that spreadsheet will be displayed here. We have got the tabs. For example, we've got the home tab, insert tab, up to the view tab. All of these are known as tabs. Also, in each tab, we have got the ribbon. For example, in the home tab, this is the ribbon of the home tab. The entire ribbon of the home tab is here. And in ribbon, we have got groups. For example, in the home tab and the ribbon, we have got the clipboard group, the font group, the alignment group, the number group, up to the editing group. Under each group, it has got features that specifically undermine the name of that group. For example, in font group, all of these features here deal with the font size, shape, color of the text or the item displayed in a specific cell. Also, we have got the window control buttons. These are the window control buttons, whereby you can close your window, you can restore down your window, or you can minimize your window. Still, you can ask the question from Microsoft Excel help, or you click on F1 on your keyboard. So these are known as window control buttons. Okay, now I have got the name box. This is the name box. The name box displays the name of the active cell. For example, our active cell is B2. So the name box displays the name of the active cell. Here I've got the formula bar. You've got the formula bar. The formula bar is the text box in which a cell entry or a formula is displayed during typing or editing of cell content. So for example, if I can write the word hello is displayed in the formula bar because any entry made in a specified cell or a formula is displayed in the formula bar. Next, we have the cell. This is our active cell. What is the cell? A cell is an intersection between a row and a column. And for instance, in our case, you have got the column. The columns are named like A, B, C, D, henceforth. So, a column is the vertical arrangement of cells labeled A, B, C, D. So, this is our first column, our second column is here, our third column is here, our fourth column is here, henceforth, up to the end. Again, we have got the rows. A row is the horizontal arrangement of cells labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, henceforth. So this is our row. This is our first row, our second row, our third row, henceforth. So a cell is an intersection between a column and a row. For example, if in our row A is the vertical arrangement of cells, and this is column A. Column A is the vertical arrangement of cells, and row 1 is the horizontal arrangement of cells. So the intersection of column A and row 1 make up a cell. So we have the name A1 as the cell that is active because it is the intersection of column and a row. We have got the cell pointer. The cell pointer in this active cell. For example, the cell pointer indicates the current active cell. So, for example, our active cell is D5. This color that is thick, the thick outline like a border in this cell, is what we call as the cell pointer. The active cell is highlighted by the cell pointer that appears a thick outline. So this thick outline is the cell pointer. Still, we have got the worksheets. For example, in our workbook here, we have got the worksheet 1, that is sheet 1. We can also add another sheet. You click on this add button to add a new sheet. So click, we add sheet 2. And you can edit this sheet. For example, if you want to edit sheet 1, you can double click on sheet 1 to rename it. So you can name it like, for example, man. In sheet 2, you can name it as woman. So any name you can decide to name your worksheet, you can name your worksheet. Also, you can delete your worksheet by right clicking on the worksheet. Then you can click on the delete button to delete your worksheet.